Hi guys, it's me again, alright? So I want to show you my stuffed animals. This is a video not for Pokemon for right now. I'm taking a break. Alright? So, I'm going to start. Okay? This first one's Pichu. Is it cute? Oh, it is, so it's squishy. Alright. Next one. This one is like a pterodactyl. Okay. Yeah, it's a dinosaur that lived 65 million years ago. It's a maybe a carnivore. Maybe it could eat fish. I'm gonna come and eat. And it eats people sometimes. If you've seen Jurassic World, it eats people. Bye. Mega Charizard Y. He's the legend of Charizard. Maybe that Dragon Charizard is the legend. Mega Charizard X. This is Mega Charizard Y. It can fly around all day. It has a fiery old tail. My bear. My first big old buddy bear.
I want to see my videos.
His name is Barry. Barry. Yeah. Oh my god.
Papo. I'm gonna take out the garbage, okay? So you can make your video.
Alright, this is Power.
So we're gonna be taking a
That's
look
too
at
loud.
our newest best buddy, which is gonna be Lucario, and yes, that is where the ribbon is gonna be on.
Alright, this is Power. I'm so sorry. This is Power. He's a super villain. I don't have his cape right now, so I'll find it. Here's the elf on the shelf. This is Stuffy. If you touch it, it doesn't lose magic. Alright?
Alright, I'm gonna throw out the garbage. Stay right here. You want Nintendo, Adrian?
Charmander. What's the other one? There's two Charmanders. I'm trying to make this stand up. So I can make it. I might have to make. Right. So there's two Charmanders. They love each other. They got married a year ago. And I didn't have my channel a year ago. And I wish I had. Don't look over there. Don't look. Right there. Don't look right there, please. That's my first grade class, so don't look at it. Charmeleon. If you're one of my first grade students, hi. Alright, here comes the Master of Ghosts. He's like a ninja, but he's Charmeleon. No. I'm not sorry I died. I'm sorry. Here comes the shark. Captain Fishhook. He's from Luigi's Mansion. If you play Luigi's Mansion, you have known the shark Captain Fishhook like a 412. It's spiritual catch. Monkey. He's poop. This is the big old Elmo. He's the boss of here. He's the second boss. I'm showing the first boss last, which is going to be Blastoise. He's big, he's huge. I am so sorry if I'm so messing you up. If you just don't like this, I'll try to make a remake for this. Alright? I won't make a remake. This is Yoshi. It's squishy. All of these are squishy. It has a shell. Look, it has 3 orange things, and it's like a crocodile. This one I don't need to show because it's from Chuck E. Cheese, I don't want to show. Donkey Kong. Alright, he's so strong. He's from Super Mario. Lucario, he is so strong. He's a fighting and a steel type. And a disco guy. This is a purple disco zombie. I am so sorry again. I am keep messing this up. Give me a second. I'm so sorry. I'm doing this on a bed. I'm making my that video on the bed. Stop! Okay. This is Santa Claus. He gives you a present every year. And I'm touching him, so there'll be no more presents. Hee hee hee. Gimme. Oh, this is Luigi in Luigi's Mansion. I don't know why he's so scared, but he's a crybaby. What is this? Give me that. I'll be taking that. This is Cookie Monster. In Luigi's Mansion, 3 our players, How Long Gravy. Alright, last, the first boss. Hi guys, I love you guys. I'm the big boss. If you like the channel, please subscribe below. And I want 1 million subscribers so I can make a video of 1 million subscribers. Yes. Please subscribe down below or no more videos for you. Okay? Subscribe and leave a comment below.